Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Reality Check, the show where headlines are not just reported, they are examined, questioned and placed under the spotlight. आज के एपिसोड में दो स्टोरीज हैं, लेकिन दोनों में एक चीज़ कॉमन है, नैरेटिव, परसेप्शन और पब्लिक रिएक्शन. पहला सेगमेंट फ्रॉम डिनायल टू निकाह, नायला राजा और इमाद वसीम की कहानी. कल तक इनकार और आज इकरार. क्या ये प्राइवेसी थी या पब्लिक कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन? दूसरा सेगमेंट इंजीनियर मोहम्मद अली मिर्ज़ा अटैक्ड अगेन. क्या मुकालमे की जगह तशद्दुद ले चुका है और क्या हमारे स्कॉलर्स महफूज हैं? दो मुख्तलिफ कहानियाँ, दो मुख्तलिफ रिएक्शंस, लेकिन सवाल एक ही, सच क्या है, नैरेटिव क्या है और पब्लिक को क्या बताया गया? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. From denial to nikah, Naila Raja denied dating rumors linking her to Imad Wasim and called the claims baseless earlier. Instagram influencer Naila Raja had denied all dating rumors linking her to Pakistani cricketer Imad Wasim amid speculation about his marriage with Sania Ashfaq. उनका कहना था कि ये इल्ज़ाम बिल्कुल बेबुनियाद है और उनका इस मामले से कोई लेना देना नहीं. The controversy started after a viral video showed Imad Wasim walking beside a woman believed to be Naila Raja outside a glasses store in London. Naila Raja clarified that clip was from her own public Instagram story during a normal outing and said others were also present. नायला राजा सेड, मैं खुद भी एक औरत हूँ, खुदा के लिए सोचें. अब आए कहानी की दूसरी जानिब. कल तक क्या था और आज क्या हो गया? Before her marriage to Imad Wasim, Naila Raja strongly denied all dating rumors. She called the allegations baseless. She said she had absolutely nothing to do with his personal life. She questioned how a simple, harmless Instagram story could be linked to someone's divorce. She urged people not to drag her into a deeply personal matter. उनका कहना था, मेरा इस मामले से कोई ताल्लुक ही नहीं है. Fast forward to today. After marrying Imad Wasim, her social media tone literally shifted. Wedding pictures surfaced online, public posts reflected celebration and a new beginning. After marrying Imad Wasim, her social media tone shifted literally. Wedding pictures surfaced, public posts reflected celebration and a new beginning. The same name she once distanced herself from now as officially her life partner. तो क्या पहले सब झूठ था या सच छुपाया गया था? Social media users are divided on this matter. Some says that she had right to her privacy and others call it a clear contradiction. One thing is certain, the timeline has raised serious questions. 3 बच्चों का बाप और नई जिंदगी का आगाज. Many online critics are accusing him of cheating, claiming that the timeline of event raises uncomfortable questions. While neither Imad nor Naila publicly admitted to any relationship during his previous marriage, users are connecting the dots between earlier rumors and then the eventual wedding. Social media posts are flooded with reactions. Some trending comments read, 3 kids at home and wedding photos online, father first or fame first. Respect the children at least. Another user said, if rumors were false, then why did they end in marriage? लोग कह रहे हैं ये सिर्फ नई शादी नहीं, ये ट्रस्ट का भी मसला है. Critics also argue that regardless of personal choices, public figures carry some social responsibility even when the children are involved. Others, however, say personal relationships are private matters and outsiders do not know what truly happened inside the marriage. मगर सवाल फिर भी उठता है, क्या ये सिर्फ move on करना था या किसी का दिल टूट कर रह गया? The debate continues with emotions running high. Supporters defend his right to rebuild his life, while critics insist that the presence of 3 children makes the situation more serious than a typical celebrity wedding. एक तरफ celebration और दूसरी तरफ condemnation, and social media shows no signs of calming down. Engineer Mohammad Ali Mirza attacked again. rising threats and repeated violence spark national debate. क्या सच बोलना इतना महंगा हो चुका है या फिर ये सिर्फ इख्तलाफ का ताफुन है? Jhelum once again became the center of attention when renowned religious scholar engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza was attacked at his Quran o Sunnat Research Academy. लेक्चर ख़त्म हुआ, लोग तस्वीरें बनवा रहे थे और फिर अचानक सब कुछ बदल गया. According to police reports, a young man suddenly rushed toward him, grabbed him by his throat and attempted to strangle him while shouting slogans. In chaos, his turban fell to the ground before people present stepped in and overpowered the attacker. एक लम्हा था और सब कुछ बदल गया. The suspect was arrested on the spot and attempted murder case was registered. Mirza remained physically unharmed. ये कहानी यहीं से शुरू नहीं होती. Back in 2021, he survived another stabbing attempt during a lecture at the same academy. Supporters managed to stop the attacker before the situation turned fatal. और फिर आया 2025. Legal troubles intensified. He was detained under public order laws following controversy over his speeches. Later, blasphemy and cybercrime cases were filed against him. Months passed in custody before the Lahore High Court Rawalpindi bench granted him bail. इख्तलाफ बढ़ गया, दुश्मनी और गहरी होती गई और खतरा साया बनकर साथ चलता रहा. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza is known for his bold and analytical religious discourse. His supporters call him fearless. His critics call him controversial. मगर सवाल ये है कि क्या बहस का जवाब हमला है? क्या मुकालमे की जगह तशद्दुद ले चुका है? और क्या हमारे स्कॉलर्स सच में महफूज हैं? आज हमने देखा फ्रॉम डिनायल टू निकाह, स्टेटमेंट्स, सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट्स और एक टाइमलाइन जो सवाल उठाती है, प्राइवेसी या कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन. इंजीनियर मोहम्मद अली मिर्ज़ा वाज अटैक्ड, रिपीटेड थ्रेट्स, लीगल बैटल्स और ये बहस, क्या इख्तलाफ का जवाब तशद्दुद हो सकता है? रियलिटी चेक का मकसद सिर्फ ये नहीं कि नैरेटिव को समझा जाए, टाइमलाइन को करेक्ट करना और इमोशंस को पहले फैक्ट्स दिखाना. कहानी चाहे सेलिब्रिटी की हो या स्कॉलर की, पब्लिक रिएक्शन हमेशा स्ट्रॉन्ग ही होता है. लेकिन ज़रूरी ये है कि हम सवाल पूछते रहें, क्या सच वही है जो नज़र आ रहा है या तस्वीर का दूसरा रुख भी है. I'm Namna Said signing off from Reality Check, where questions matter और सच की तलाश जारी रहती है. Catch you in the next episode. Thank you.